Welcome back guys. In the previous video I told you guys that how to create a function, then how to use that function inside your component. In this video I'm going to create a constant and then I will be teaching you guys that how you can use that constant into your React component. So first let me remove it. Here I'm going to create a constant and I would be saying values. Okay, and this would be equal to a constant values. First thing we were going to create is suppose I'm going to create a variable with the first name, and this would be equal to sign Sani. And as you already know, when we are creating a object like this, we have to use the comma to separate different values. Then I will be using creating a second name, and this would be equal to coding. Okay, so in this way you have created one simple object of values. Now to call this values object, I would be going over here. Let me remove this. As you know, if you are going to use the JavaScript inside your HTML, you have to use the curly braces, and inside this I would be calling values dot first name. Let me concatenate it. Okay, I'm going to use the old technique of concatenating. So values dot second name. So in this way you can call one constant inside an HTML element. So if I go back into our browser, before going back into browser, as you all know that we cannot use the equal sign, but rather we have to use the colon to define the object and their values. Now save and go back into your browser. Okay, there you go. You can see that the values of our constant has been appeared over here. So in this way you can add values to HTML elements inside React component by using the JavaScript constants. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.